Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download TeamSpeak on your PC free. And actually TeamSpeak, if you don't know what is like Discord, but it's older, I think. I don't know, just let me show you how to download it. So first, search in Google TeamSpeak like this. Actually TeamSpeak download like this for to be more easier to be easier. And as you can see here, we can download it from Windows 64-bit and or 34-bit. You have for Linux, you have for Mac. And yeah, let's download for Windows. Click on download, and yeah, it took a little bit time, but don't worry, I've already downloaded. Don't wanna waste your time. So where is it? Let me check. Where was it? Yeah, here is it. So it looks like this when you download it. So wait a few seconds, just open it, wait a few seconds and click on next. Accept. Yeah, scroll down, accept, install. Check this, install for anyone using this computer. Click next, games, browse where you want to install it, and click next again, click on install and wait till it's done. And here is it, it's done, finish, and you have Taco VoIP on your PC. It's free. I have actually update, so let's update it. And yeah, that was it, how to download and how to install TeamSpeak or Taco VoIP. Taco VoIP is different thing. TeamSpeak on your PC free. If I have you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, you can comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.